Welcome to Bicycle's Point of View. My name is Johnny, and what do we have here? It looks like we got a wobbly wheel. So today we're going to go over how to true a wheel. So if you just give me a few minutes, I will explain that. First thing you'll need is the correct tool. So here I have a set of truing wheel truers, and they're colored differently for different spoke dimensions. The red one is Japanese, and the green and black one are Italian and Swiss dimensions. This will probably be a probably Italian dimension, or is number 0. Another tool that I use that's a little more precise than the traditional wheel truing tools is this Park Tool 3-in-1 wheel truer. It's a great tool. It's really handy. I've gotten quite a lot of use out of it. And so what we're going to do today is we're going to spin the wheel, and when you hear that sound, we're going to try to find where that sound is coming from and try to straighten it out. So as we can see here, the sound is this part of the wheel that is hitting the left little stand peg. I think I would call that a stand peg. So in order to get it to go the other way, we've got spokes that run this way and spoke that runs going out. So the spokes that run this way control the direction usually of the wheel going that way. The spokes that run out this way, the opposite way, control the direction of the wheel going this way. So if we were to want to make the wheel go that way, we would have to then loosen the inside spokes and tighten the spokes that go out this way. Here we've got our tool. We're going to loosen the spoke a turn, and we're going to tighten these spokes a turn. You see this one's very loose. This one could be the culprit right here, due to the fact that it's so loose. So we're just going to get snug tight. We're going to spin it again. It's no longer rubbing. After we've determined that we fixed the wobbliness going out this way, we're going to put our truing pegs closer to see if we can find any slight off calibrations in the wheel, and we're going to feel and hear for sounds. I already hear a sound coming from this side of the wheel. So in order to get the wheel to go this way, we're going to tighten the spokes going in and loosen the ones going out. So we're going to tighten it and loosen this one, and tighten this one and loosen that one, and try to spin it again, and keep doing this until we've got the wheel centered. Now, after the wheel basically goes off center for the first time, and when it's no longer, the spokes aren't holding tension under the manufacturer standards, it's going to be nearly impossible to get this 100% perfect. They've got tree machines out there that cost hundreds of dollars that can get the wheel back to near perfection. But for the average day-to-day person, that's not necessary. It's not going to make any difference on your ride. What will make a difference is if the rim is hitting the brake pad when you're riding the bike, because that's going to slow you down. That's going to basically, over the course of an hour, with it constantly grating on the brake pad, that's just going to cause an extra workload, and you're really not going to get the best workout you can possibly get. It's going to slow you down, and so one of the things I do before every ride is to check to make sure my wheels didn't come off true. Normally it's the rear wheel that does this, but every once in a while I have to check the front tire as well. Okay, viewers, thank you for watching this video. I hope that this has been informative. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below, and follow me again on my blog, which is thebicyclespointofview.blogspot.com, and on Twitter I'm bicyclepov, and on Google+. Thanks again for watching.